No, don't go down. Shut up.
Hey guys, you know it's hurricane season out in Pelham, which is kind of new for us. So of course we'd like to get it on camera. Now it's not shaking as bad as it was a few seconds ago, but it's shaking pretty good. You can see the power line out there is sort of leaning. Hold on. You can see down the street that that tree fell down.
Here you go. Do this one.
Okay. Well, it's coming in bursts, so. All right, picking up. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Crazy. I'll keep you updated if there's anything else crazy coming. All right, cool. Hey guys, hurricane's pretty much over. It was downgraded to a tropical storm at the last minute, but I thought I'd give you a tour. I cooked up the bacon because the power went off. So had a breakfast of bacon, so it wouldn't go bad because you don't waste bacon. But that's besides the point. Check this out. Okay, you got a down tree right there. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Crazy, right? Gets crazier. If you smell right now, you actually smell the ocean because the tide came up so far, and the ocean's like a mile, 2 miles from here. And even then, it's just a small bay. More footage. Check this out. See how thick the water is? But no, it gets cooler. Water is bubbling out of the manhole because it's just so filled. We got a river running down the side of the road here. Now, of course, that tree, like behind me, I don't know if you can see it that well, it's hanging on by a hair. But check this out. Okay. Yeah, look at all those down power lines. Don't want to get too close, but yeah, down power lines everywhere. Closed off roads. That guy probably found out the hard way. Crazy. Down power line. Cool. More down power lines. Check that out. Who knows when the power's gonna come back on? Sure glad I cooked up that bacon. All right. My laptop screen's getting wet right now. I should really invest in a flip cam or something. But probably a more accurate thing would be flood insurance right now. Am I right? All right. We're almost there. Cars are starting to come out. That's good news. The sun's even coming out a little bit. But the biggest sight, and the one I'm willing to walk away furthest from my home to see, is this. Yeah. We have not only down power lines, a leaning power post, but also count them, two felled trees. Damn. So yeah. Hurricane Irene. Not as dangerous as we thought it was going to be, thank God, but you know, Mother Nature is a beast to be reckoned with. All right. I want to see if there's anything else in the freezer I want to eat before it goes bad. Yeah.